Hi everyone, this is Cheryl and this is Manny. Welcome to my sewing room. I'm going to demonstrate how to make a pillow, and it's even a pillow slip cover, so you can take it off the pillow form and wash it. By the time you cut it and stitch it together, it's about 20 minutes. It's really fast, and believe me, it's really easy. So let's get started. The finished size of my pillow is 16 inches square. I used 5/8 of a yard, and I used Joann's Home Essentials fabric. It's their less expensive decorating fabric. You'll need one 16-inch square pillow form, matching thread. Cut your fabric one 16.5-inch square to 16.5 by 11.5. Take your two pieces that are 16.5 by 11.5 and fold on one of the long edges. Fold your fabric over 1/4 of an inch and press and go all the way down. Fold it again and press all the way down. Then stitch close to the edge all the way, and you do this on both pieces. This is my fabric for the front. I love novelty fabric. I change my pillows out all the time. That's why I like to use slip covers over the pillows, because that way each season I can change the pillow covers and give it a completely different look. I live in the Southwest, and that's why I picked Southwest theme fabric. So place your fabric front side up. You're looking at the pretty side. Take your other fabric for the back, and you want it front side down. Now this fabric looks the same front and back, but whatever side is your fold over, that's the part you want it to look up at you. And you want to line it up along the edge here, then take the other one, place it on top, and you want to make sure these are in the middle of the pillow, and line up the edges here. Then take pins and pin all of the layers together. After pinning, you want to stitch 1/4 inch away from the raw edge. So go in 1/4 inch and stitch around all four sides. When you come to corners, let me push this up a little bit so you can see better. When you come to corners, stop here 1/4 of an inch away and leave your needle in the down position. It's in through the fabric. Lift up your presser foot. Then turn your fabric, lower the presser foot, and continue stitching. At the points that are here, this is where the fabric overlaps in the back. Where they meet each other, you want to back stitch here, and then over here is another stress point, and again do it up here and here. At all of the corners, before you turn this front side out, you want to trim just a little bit of the corner fabric off. So basically what you're doing is cutting about half the distance. And the reason we do that is so that when you turn it front side out, the corners just look a little bit nicer. So you can use scissors. I use a rotary cutter because it's just easier for me. So you would trim it off so that your corners look like that. So do that at all four corners. Reach inside the pillow and grab one of the corners and begin pulling the pillow to where the front side is now facing out. Then reach back inside and poke at all of the corners. After poking at all of the corners, if they're not out quite enough, you can use something like this, but this is a little pointed, so you need to be careful with this. But if you're having difficulty, gently poke at these corners to get them to come out a little bit more. Open the flap on the back of the pillow and insert the pillow in. And you kind of have to push at it a little bit, but be careful not to tear your seams out. And sometimes I just reach in and pull the pillow in there even more. And pull the points of the pillow in towards the corner. Then reach in and pull on the other flap and push the pillow in. And again, tug and pull on the points of the pillow form so that it will go into the corners of your slip cover. And then, of course, straighten this out in the back. And then you have a cute pillow. I hope you liked this video. If you did, would you please click on that old thumbs up button and then click on share to share it with your family and friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Click on the little bell and enter your email address so that you receive email notifications about my latest video. If for some reason you're not receiving those email notifications, go to your cell phone or iPad, click on settings, and turn notifications in the on position. I'm Cheryl, and this is Manny. So glad you came to my sewing room. We'll see you next time, and happy sewing!